What is Hygrophila polysperma? For any aquascapers out there, especially beginners, the search for the perfect low-maintenance plant can feel like an endless quest. You want something vibrant, something that adds life to your underwater world, but without the burden of strict water parameters or complicated fertilization routines. Well, fret no more, fellow fish enthusiasts. Let me introduce you to the wonder that is Hygrophila polysperma, also known as dwarf Hygrophila or dwarf hygro. See more 77 species in genus Hygrophila at monsteraholic.com. This little aquatic gem has become a staple in my tanks, and for good reason. It thrives in a wide range of conditions, boasts beautiful foliage that comes in various shades depending on the lighting, and propagates like crazy, a true aquascaper's dream. Over the years, I've learned the ins and outs of caring for Hygrophila polysperma, and I'm here to share my experience with you. How to plant Hygrophila polysperma? Planting Hygrophila polysperma is a breeze. Here's what you need to do. Choose a spot. Hygrophila polysperma is a versatile plant that can thrive in the background, mid-ground, or even the foreground of your tank. Consider its mature size, around 25 to 40 centimeters tall, when choosing a location. Separate the stems. If you're purchasing a bunch of Hygrophila polysperma, gently separate the individual stems. Each stem can be planted individually or grouped together for a bushier effect. Prepare the substrate. While Hygrophila polysperma isn't too picky about substrate, a nutrient-rich option like aquasoil will encourage even faster growth. You can also root the stems in a weighted plant holder before placing them in the desired location. Planting: simply push the base of the stem a few centimeters into the substrate. The plant will readily develop roots and start sending out new growth. Trimming and maintaining your Hygrophila polysperma. Hygrophila polysperma is a fast grower, and regular trimming is essential to maintain its shape and prevent it from taking over your tank. Here's how to keep it in check. Identify new growth. New growth typically appears at the tips of the stems. This is the part you'll be trimming. Sharp shears are key. Use sharp aquarium shears to make clean cuts. Dull shears can damage the plant. Replanting trimmings: don't throw away those trimmings. You can replant them in the substrate or use them to create new Hygrophila polysperma bunches in other parts of your tank. Density control: regular trimming not only maintains the plant's appearance but also encourages bushier growth. By removing some of the top growth, you're signaling to the plant to put out new shoots at the lower nodes. Beyond beauty: the ecological role of Hygrophila polysperma. Hygrophila polysperma isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it plays a vital role in the aquatic environment. Natural filtration: like other aquatic plants, Hygrophila polysperma helps absorb excess nutrients from the water column, reducing the risk of algae growth and maintaining good water quality for your fish. Habitat provider: the dense foliage of Hygrophila polysperma creates hiding spots for smaller fish and invertebrates, promoting a sense of security and reducing stress levels. Oxygen production: during photosynthesis, Hygrophila polysperma releases oxygen into the water, crucial for the respiration of your fish and other aquatic creatures. A perfect fit for any aquarium. Hygrophila polysperma's easy care requirements, beautiful appearance, and ecological benefits make it a perfect choice for beginners and seasoned aquascapers alike. With a little TLC, this versatile plant will add vibrancy and life to your underwater world for years to come. So, why not give Hygrophila polysperma a try? You might just find yourself singing its praises, just like I do.